these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong. Yeah.
Hey Glam fam, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. Guys, I hope you all are feeling wonderful today. I hope you all are catching every blessing that God has for you. And y'all, we're gonna get on with this DIY. Okay guys, so today we are going to make a table, and I'm going to use these mirrored subway tiles that I got from diefart.com. They send these to me, and I know y'all say they're expensive, but I think they are a good investment. I say this on all my videos. They are, because you can reuse these so many times for so many different things. That's why I don't put like E6000 on them. I just put like hot glue so that I can, you know, reuse them. So what I'm going to use is this large box, and it's a 24 by 16 by 19 from Walmart. It's a simple box, and a lot of people ask me when I make these tables with mirrors with boxes, are they sturdy? Yes, they are sturdy. Yes, they last a long time. I don't have a problem with them. The mirrors actually make these boxes heavy, so you kind of have to be careful with them because they become heavy after you add your mirror. Now, some people, they take a wooden stick or whatever and they glue it inside the box so it can give it, you know, like some more sturdiness, but I'm not doing that. So we are just going to go ahead and take these mirror tiles, and we are going to glue them all over this box to cover it to make our table. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over, and like I said, it gets heavier once you start putting mirror on there. So a lot of people don't believe that, but it really does. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the tile on this side, and I'm not gonna show you each side, y'all, because it's redundant. I'm not gonna do that, but I am gonna get something to, you know, cover these edges. Like on the sides, I'm gonna use something like some bling wrap or something like that to cover, because it's not covering all the way on the, you know, to the edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on here, and we're gonna see how everything turns out. Okay guys, so I decided to use this crystal diamond wrap because it is so forgiving as far as hiding, you know, your flaws, and this definitely has a lot of flaws. So it's got some adhesive on it, so I may not use a lot of adhesive because, well, I may not use any of the glue on there, high glue, because this has adhesive on it. But it's old. I'm reusing this, so you know, it is what it is. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and go around the edges of it so that I can, you know, hide it a little bit. Okay guys, so this is how it's turning out so far, y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up real good. I'm gonna put the other tiles on the side that I have to go ahead and put in, that I didn't want to do all on camera, but I'm gonna put those on there, and then I'm gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna show you all how it looks. Hey y'all, so I have these little candle holders, and I think what I'm gonna do is just slide them up under the table and give them legs. So
let's see how it turns out.
Okay guys, so this is how the table turned out, and check out the candle holders that I use as legs on the bottom. I think it made it look more like a table, I guess. But guys, I like the crystal diamond wrap because it hid a whole lot of flaws and you know, just made it look decent. So I appreciate the crystal diamond wrap, y'all. I appreciate that every time because it definitely saves me. So guys, I just went on ahead and put some decor on top of the table just to give you an idea. The room that I'm in, I'm turning it into black and gold. So I'm trying to get everything together, y'all. So you may see crap everywhere, but as I get it together, but that's what I'm trying to do, turn this room into black and gold because I'm really liking gold now, and I usually don't do gold. But I hope you all got some inspiration from what I tried to create here, and if you did, join the family, subscribe to the channel, like, share. Guys, I love you so much. God bless.